Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, I am Richard Leland Neal. This is Richard Reviews Children's Books, and today I have for you Click, Clack, Splish, Splash, a counting adventure by Doreen Cronin and Betsy Lewin. Something like that. And yeah, you have a loose sort of a story about some farm animals sneaking out without the knowledge of the farmer. You have chickens in this particular case. They all get together and you can count your chickens and you can count your buckets. And there is the loose but not well defined story of them sneaking out of the farm to go fishing. And yeah, there's not a lot to this particular book. It's designed for very young children. It's designed to help them learn counting, which of course is very important. And the story is very mild and meta because it's designed for them to be able to read it themselves. And you have to infer a lot from the images. You have to draw that in. Also, this is a nice, big, broad book, perfect for just opening that up and putting that child on your lap and asking them questions and saying things to them. And this is a great parent-child interaction sort of a book, so I love that about this. And again, yes, is this a wonderful, wonderful children's book? No. It is a functional children's book. Will get a few smiles out of your child and help them learn. And, you know, those books have a magic of their own. But that's just my opinion. I'd love to hear yours down in the comments below. I am Richard Leland Neal.